Hello everyone, my name is Vandana Sharma and today I'm making this video because of my English practice because I want to learn English language, how to speak in English fluently. I want to be fluent and one day I'll be fluent, okay? So in this video you also find lots of motivation. So which motivation? Because there is lots of motivation like about life and lots of things, okay? But you will find today in this video I'll motivate about English language. Why should I learn? Why should we learn English language? What is the importance of English language? So I complete my graduation and I'm going to be preparing for my B.Ed examination, okay? So I will that English is very important for our life, for our future, for us. English language is very important. It's not only language but it's a need, it's importance. We can't ignore English language. English is not a subject, it's also a language. We can't say every time we are Indians we can talk in Hindi, we don't know how to speak in English. We can't say anytime, every time. If any person talking to us in Chinese, at that time we can say we are Indians, we don't know how to speak in English, we are in how to speak in Chinese, we don't know. And you will not feel guilty at that time. But at the same time any other talking to you in English, then you can't say we are Indian. You can't say because you know what is the importance of English language. At that time you feel guilty. Why I don't know how to speak in English? Why? Okay, you will question to you. You will question to yourself. There is lots of grammatical mistake I do, but please don't mind because I am making this video for my practice, okay, and also motivate you. So I am telling you one thing that if you want to do something big in your life, then you will have to learn English language. You will have to okay? And don't think about I can't do, because in our country there are lots of people who speak in English fluently. They are fluent, and we are also human beings. If they can do, why we can't? If they can do, we also can do, because we are Indians can do everything. Don't think about how to speak in English, how to learn, because I don't have any partner. I also don't have any partner, but I'm consistent. I'm crazy for learning English, you know. So you will have to make crazy. And one day, you know, English language, attractive language. If you talk to the other person in English language, then he attract to you, okay? If you wanna do something big in your life, then you will have to learn English language, and it's really very important. I know it's not easy, it's very difficult. If you think then I will learn, then it's going to be very difficult, okay? But just try. Practice makes a man perfect. If you're consistent, then one day you will be a fluent. Mark my words. Because you know, when we start to speak in English, I don't know, I can't say I was not complete one sentence without stucking, but now I can talk in English, not much but a little bit. If I can talk in English little bit, you can talk in English more, okay? So just think about that. And I know I do lots of mistakes in this video, grammatical mistakes, but please don't mind, okay? So I think you will understand what I want to say, okay? So now take care, bye bye.